Hello everybody. So today I will talk about calculus. The topic today is about integration. So now I will show you how to answer. We need to use about integration by substitution. So I will put about u equals to psi s. Later that we do first the derivative for the both sides, and we have du equals to cosine s ds. Next, we need to change the bounds. When s equals to number 0, that is from here. So I will put number 0 on here to find the value of u. So u equals to number 0 when s equals to b over 2. So I will put b over 2 on here to find the value of u. So u equals to number 1. So number 0 we keep the same. B over 2 we change by number 1. Sin s we change by u. Cosine s ds we change by du. The integration of this one, we have u to the power of 3 plus 1 over 3 plus 1, and later that we put the bounds from 0 to number 1. And now 3 plus 1 we have number 4. This one we have number 4. So we put the bounds number 1 and number 0 on here. That's why we have this one and this one, and we have 1 over 4. This is the end. Thank you for watching.